Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can view photo insights on Instagram. So if we just go to our profile right here and we click on a picture that we want to view the insights for, the option is not going to show up. Now, why that doesn't show up is because we don't have a professional account. Here's how you can change your account type. So I'm just going to go back, and from within my account, I want to click on the three lines to the top right corner next to the little plus sign. Okay, from here we want to select the first option, settings, then click on account next to help, and here we want to scroll down until we see the option switch to professional account. It should ask you for a little bit more information. Just click continue a bunch of times. You can decide and pick whatever you want. I'm going to select digital creator, done. It should take a little bit of time. Okay, so are you a creator or a business? Just click creator, click next. We can unselect this, next again, not now. And we can just exit out of this by pressing the cross or the X. Okay, so now that we have changed our account type, if we go to our post, we get the option to view insights. If we click on it, it loads, and that is how you view insights on Instagram. Thanks for watching, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.